We're now going to look at adding titles and transitions. Quite easily done. Transitions, go with that first. I tell the students to use only 3 and use them repetitively. I also like to leave enough freedom for their creativity that if they can tell me why they need an extra one, that means they're thinking of their audience, they're thinking of their craft, if you will, so I usually let it go. For example, I like to start with circle open, rather pedestrian, and then I just rehash, generally cross dissolve, cross blur, and at the bottom, I like cross zoom. I'm actually going to add another slide here, which is available on the website, that's a nod to attribution. Get my finder to the top here, and here it is. Click it, drag it in. Oh, pardon me, I'll put this here. Just grab one more. And I like to fade to, well, that's white, so let's fade to white at the end. All right, so now, titles. Under titles, strangely, if you click on any of them and you scroll over them, you see what they look like. I'm not going to spend a lot of time looking for them. Get over top of it. This can be a little finicky, so I'm going to call this Sean's. Hit enter. Once I've done so, I click down here. You see, if it don't see the words down here, that means it hasn't worked, so I got to try it again. Enter. There, we see it says Sean's video, that's right. Now I can't have text on text. You won't be able to read it. So I'll find this beautiful picture over here, highlight it, Command C to copy it, and put it at the end. Command V, and drag the text over here. That's where it'll show. In this one, I'm going to say tap, tap, thank you, and there we go, it says that there. So there's your lesson on how to get transitions and titles in.